so I'm just gonna get started with my eyebrows. So I just want to let you guys know I'm not a professional, so this is just what I do. Now, not every time I do my brows, they come out the same. And honestly, when you are doing this step, don't even try to make it perfect. They look like a hot mess, right? Well, I got a trick for you. What I do, because I'm not perfect at these things, with a Q-tip, I go in with my micellar water. Alright, so as you can see, what I do is that with the concealer is how I tend to shape my brows and make it more better. And then I would go in and just fill in any areas that I think needs to be filled in. So it's not perfect, but it is what it's gonna be today. I will be using my Juvia's Place Warrior palette. The color that I'll be using today is gold, and I believe I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be starting off with this color. Then I'm gonna go in with this color right here above. With this color right here. Now, just to make the look pop, I am going to be adding this color here to the inner eyes. So then I'm going to go back in with this color right here. With this one right. Grab this one. Now for the forehead, again with that color. And then to kind of bring out the color, just a little bit of black. Then to end things off, I just broke it. We're gonna go into with our powder. Believe it or not, I love the Body Shop powder, but their shades are very limited, so like I am lucky that their darkest color just happened to fit my skin tone. I see only thing they need to fix because their formula is very nice. Now back with this again, with that same gold, this one, I'm just gonna grab a little bit of it. I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with the Glamnetic liquid lash eyeliner. So these are actually magnetic lashes. Put it on, and this is going to be the look for today. And that's it. We're done.